I'm Marchi. I love to travel and food is my passion. So join me in my gourmet adventures, starting in my hometown, Chennai. Join me for lunch at Chennai's first standalone Parsi restaurant, Batlivala Khanabhoy. Parsis originally came to India from Persia, that is modern-day Iran, and settled along its western coast. So the cooking has a lot of Marathi and Gujarati influences. Join me to discover more facets about this unique cuisine. Carrot pickle is really tangy and sweet, but extremely spicy and packs a punch. It had me coughing for quite a while, so use it in moderation. Some of the starters have come to the table. This is the Sali Edu cupcakes, which is potato and eggs baked in the form of a cupcake. And this is chicken tossed in green chilies and a pickle, and it is called Methi ni chutney ni tareli murgi. Let me just taste this first. It's really flavorful. It has a good hint of chili, but it has a few sour undertones as well. But very juicy pieces of chicken, very tasty. Let me try the cupcake with some of the dipping sauce here. But I better go easy on the dipping sauce because I don't want to make the same mistake I did with the pickle. First without the dipping sauce. It's really good. It's basically boiled potatoes and eggs which have been baked together with a lot of spices, but it's not hot, but very tasty. Let me try with the dipping sauce. It adds a lot. This dipping sauce is tomato based and it tastes really good with the sauce. This is Mamai Ji's prawn kebabs. Let's taste this. I've just cut into this kebab and it's served with a green chutney made of coriander, chili. Let's see how it tastes with it. Kebab has minced prawns which are bound together with a little masala and coated with the rava, and it is deep fried. It tastes pretty good actually. This is cheese Ada cutlet. Let's open it up and see how it is. Can you just see? It's creamy. It's got a creamy filling of boiled eggs which are mixed together and bound with a bechamel sauce. This comes with a dip too. Let's try it with the dip. It's very creamy, but it has a very strong hint of chili and it's a little bland at the same time. It's okay. This is one of the combo meals we ordered. This is chicken badami pulao served with a buffet chicken, which is a thick gravy and raita. Let me try a little bit now. It's really delicious, and the rice is fully flavored with the badam taste, and the gravy which goes with it is really creamy and luscious. And this buffet chicken has sour notes, sweet notes, and it's just packed with flavor. Our main courses have come to the table, and they've served us chicken buffet again. Let me try some of that, along with chapatis. This gravy is really excellent. It's actually boneless pieces of chicken which have been cooked with a sugarcane vinegar sauce. So the sauce is spicy, yet it is sweet, and it tastes really yummy, whether it's paired with rice or with chapati. What we have here is one of the most famous of Parsi dishes, the dansak. This is mutton which is slow cooked with 3 varieties of dal: masoor dal, tur dal, and chana dal, and it's served with caramelized brown rice and kebab, and it traditionally comes with a kachumbar. Let's give it a try now. This is no ordinary kachumbar. It's actually marinated with jangri. Yes, you heard me right. The sweet jangri and tamarind. Let's just give it a try. It tastes so yummy. It tastes sweet, salty. I mean, the taste is really unique. Very good. It's dessert time now. This is the famous lagannu custard. Let's give it a try. It tastes very rich, and it's got a strong cardamom flavor, and rather than being steamed, I think it's baked. This is the santrani kheer, which is basically like a thick basundi with slices of orange and slivers of pistachio in it. All comes together really well. From the starters to the desserts, every dish was a delight in itself, and my introduction to Parsi cuisine has been a hit. So why don't you come and discover it for yourselves? Till later, bye! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons given below. Till later, bye!